If you invest in yourself, nobody can take it away from you.
Ever felt like being rich is this super tough puzzle? Well, guess what? There are these sneaky traps that mess up your money game. Get ready for some mind-blowing info that can change how you see cash. Today, we're diving into the wisdom of the financial guru Warren Buffett. We're going to break down some everyday money blunders that can seriously empty your pockets, from the tempting world of gambling to the surprising truth about buying new cars or exposing these money traps. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of finance. Hang in there till the end because this info isn't just cool facts. It's your golden ticket to being money savvy. Once you know these traps, you'll be like a financial ninja, making smart moves and making your money do the hard work for you. Don't skip out. Your journey to being a money pro starts now. Number 1. Gambling. Let's talk about the first trap, gambling. It might seem exciting, but it's a tricky road to go down. People get lured in by the chance of winning big, but the reality is, the odds are usually against you. Warren Buffett says luck is for people who are prepared, not those relying on chance. Despite this, many get hooked, making impulsive bets and ending up in financial trouble. Whether it's flashy slot machines, high-stakes poker, or online gambling, the result is the same. You lose money and get buried in debt. What some folks don't realize is that casinos and gambling sites are designed to make sure they are always winning in the long run. So in the end, the gambler loses more than they win. It's not just about losing cash. Gambling messes up personal and work life, putting a strain on relationships and causing a lot of stress. Getting out of this cycle means understanding the difference between smart risks and reckless bets. By following Buffett's advice, you can break free from this trap and set yourself on the path to a more secure financial future. Stick around to learn more secrets to financial success. We are here to guide you toward a brighter future. Number 2. Buying a house. Now, let's talk about buying a house. It's like entering a complicated maze in the world of money. You might think owning a house is the ultimate goal, right? Well, not according to Warren Buffett. He challenges the idea that buying a house is always the best move, especially at the beginning of your money journey. In lots of cultures, owning a house is a big deal. It represents stability and success. But Buffett says, hold on a second. He suggests that in the early stages of getting rich, renting might be a smarter choice. Unlike what some might think, rich people don't rush into buying houses. They know that putting all your money into one property, especially if it means taking on a huge debt, is risky business. Owning a house feels secure, but it can also bring a lot of money headaches. There are maintenance costs, property taxes, and those pesky mortgage payments that can add up to more than just renting. Buffett's advice is all about timing and being smart with your cash. He says to focus on building up your money and investments first, and when the time is right, go for that dream home. By avoiding the trap of drowning in property debt, you can use your money for investments that grow over time. Stick around because we've got more surprising money tips coming your way. Lessons that might change how you look at managing your cash. Number 3. Paying for a gym without commitment. Time to talk about another money pitfall, gym memberships without commitment. It might seem like a step towards a healthier you, but watch out, it's a trap many people fall into without realizing the consequences. See, lots of folks get all pumped up and sign up for gym memberships with big dreams of getting fit. But here's the catch. Many end up not using the gym at all. The motivation is there, but the dedication, not so much. Warren Buffett's wisdom applies here. Paying for something you don't use is like throwing money away. People imagine themselves getting super fit, but without sticking to a workout routine, those dreams stay just that, dreams. The fitness industry loves it when people pay for memberships they never use. Instead of wasting cash on an underused gym, why not try free or cheap fitness options? Things like outdoor exercises, group sports, or working out at home can keep you healthy without burning a hole in your pocket. Buffett's lesson is crystal clear. Make smart money choices by committing to what you invest in. By putting your resources into things that make a difference and improve your well-being, you can dodge this money trap and work towards a healthier life without unnecessary expenses. Stick around, we've got more tricks up our sleeve to help you reach financial freedom. Number 4. Luxury brands. What about those fancy names that scream sophistication and status? But hold on, behind the glitz and glam hides a money trap many fall into. Luxury brands with their top-notch quality and posh image make people overspend, thinking it elevates their status. But here's the scoop from Warren Buffett. Being smart with money doesn't mean blowing it on brand names. Surprisingly, many millionaires prefer simplicity over extravagance. The trap: believing luxury always means better quality. Buffett challenges this idea, saying you can get similar or even better quality in non-branded stuff without the crazy price tags. Making wise choices and focusing on what works well and lasts long instead of flashy logos helps you save big without compromising quality. What's more, the constant chase for the latest designer stuff can lead to overspending. Buffett's tip: invest in experiences, education, and long-term growth instead of short-lived material things. By following this advice, you can dodge the luxury brand trap, using your money for things that truly improve your life. Stick around for more eye-opening insights to reshape how you see money and set the path to lasting prosperity. Number 5. Buying a new car. Now let's talk cars, that exciting moment when you think about getting a new one. But hold your horses, there's more to it than you might think. Buckle up as we navigate the twists and turns of buying a new car and the money traps involved. You see, the shiny allure of a new car often blinds people to one big problem: depreciation. That means the moment you drive that new car off the lot, its value starts to drop like a rock. In just 1 year, it can lose 20 to 30% of its value. Wait 5 years and it might lose a whopping 60%. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom shines a light on this trap. Now here's the kicker. Many folks take out loans to buy a new car, but they end up borrowing money for something that loses value quickly. Buffett's advice: consider a used car that's a few years old. It gives you almost the same driving experience, but at a much lower cost, helping you avoid that steep depreciation curve. By making this shift in thinking, you not only save cash, but also skip the headache of immediate depreciation. A used car can be reliable and functional without emptying your wallet, following Buffett's principle of making smart money moves that build your wealth. Stick around, we've got more must-know tips to guide you through the tricky world of personal finance. Number 6. Watching TV and playing video games. Everyone knows gadgets are fun to use, but if you're not careful, they can drain your wallet and mess with your well-being. Join us as we dive into the impact of too much screen time on your finances and your overall life. In today's digital world, binge-watching shows and gaming are super common. But guess what? Warren Buffett has a thing or two to say about it. Watching too much TV or gaming without limits can cost you big time, not just in money, but also in personal growth. Buffett points out that excessive screen time takes away time and energy from more useful stuff. In wealthier homes, they focus on learning and self-improvement. But in some middle and lower class households, excessive screen time becomes an escape, holding back personal growth and financial progress. And hey, those subscriptions to streaming services, in-game purchases, and the constant urge for new gadgets, they can seriously mess up your budget. The trick is finding balance. Enjoy your screen time, but also spend time and resources on things that help you grow, learn, and stay financially stable. By listening to Buffett's advice and finding that balance, you can avoid the trap of mindless screen time and make smarter choices. Stick around, there's more financial wisdom coming your way to help you make better decisions and find lasting prosperity. Number 7. Extravagant vacations. Lastly, let's talk about something exciting: vacations. But here's the deal. While travel can be awesome, it can also wreck your finances if you're not careful. So buckle up as we explore the fine line between enjoying travel and staying financially smart. Picture this: dreamy vacations with exotic places and fancy hotels. They sound amazing, right? But here's what Warren Buffett says: if you don't plan wisely, you might end up drowning in debt. Many people get lured into these dreamy trips and end up using loans or credit cards, leading to years of financial stress. Buffett's tip: plan your trips carefully. Sure, travel is fantastic, but it doesn't mean you have to empty your bank account. You can have incredible adventures without wrecking your finances. How? By being smart about it. Look for affordable options, grab those discounts, and avoid impulsive decisions. That way, you can create unforgettable memories without the heavy burden of debt. By approaching travel with a clear mind and smart financial planning, you can have your adventures and keep your wallet happy. Stick around. More smart money moves are coming your way to guide you toward a future full of both exciting journeys and financial stability. In the maze of financial challenges, we've uncovered 7 traps that silently drain your money and shatter dreams of financial freedom. From the flashy casino lights to the allure of brand new cars, each pitfall has been laid bare, guided by the wisdom of Warren Buffett. The takeaway? This isn't just information, it's your treasure map to a prosperous future. By learning from impulsive gambling, hasty home ownership, unused gym memberships, luxury brand temptations, new car allure, excessive screen time, and poorly planned vacations, you gain the power to make savvy decisions. These traps aren't dead ends, they're detours, giving you the chance to reroute your financial journey towards stability and abundance. Remember, it's not about giving up what you love, but about making smart choices. With this newfound knowledge, you can navigate the twists and turns of personal finance, steering clear of traps and moving toward a future where your wealth is solid and your dreams are well within your reach. Your financial transformation starts now. Best of luck on your journey to lasting prosperity. Thanks for watching. Until next time.